Chonde. Amene tili ku South Africa. Chonde. Tisatuluke m'manyumbamo. Tidekhe kaye. Ankolowa anatuluka lucky enough momwe awagwira komabe atagwira apolisi ali pafupi mmene ananena muja ndi awapanga handover awapasa apolisi ndi apolisi wafunsa kuti mukuntenga bwanji makuti actually apolisi anakuti atifati ngontereza basi munthu actually kufa chipanda I don't know kuti panakhala kuti apolisi palibepo sitikudziwa ankulu amene adakapanga chani maona adafuna kuja kuti kuja ndi chani I don't know. So you see, so please. Tisaisezile. Ngati sitina nyamuke kubaya ku Malawi, it's fine. Komano, let's be careful, okay? Let's be careful. Hey, Uncle Juanito, yeah, is nakavuta kwambiri. Guys, thank you so much.
Tomorrow, they want the assistance of law enforcement. In fact, there's a bit of action. We're going to move that side where we're seeing there's a bit of action ongoing there. What is going to happen over here? It's men with sticks and knobkeries. I'm not sure if there's a foreign individual. Where are you from? Where are you from? What's happening here, Baba? You want to eat? Where are you from, sir?
Dingator.
Huh?
Dingator.
Where's that? Dingator?
Ndashara Dingator, nifuna kuja.
So are you?
Nifuna kuja. Ndibuya le muntu atengesa kuja chikwawa gama lake. Nifuna kuja.
Where are you from?
Malawi.
You're from Malawi?
Yeah.
Are you not concerned? Is he going to be arrested? I just want to understand what's going to happen.
Nifuna kuja.
Bazom verify then uzoboshwa ukuthi angana maphepha. For safety keeping zombeka.
For safety purposes, we're being told by the police that he's going to be verified whether this gentleman from Malawi has documents, and then if he doesn't have the required documents to be in the country, then he will be arrested or deported. In fact, we're seeing another gentleman inside there. So they're saying for safety purposes, they're keeping him in there. Pakamile, let me bring you in once more. You see just how the tensions, the fury on the ground is growing here in Germiston. And tomorrow the suggestions that they want the assistance of police to evict whatever foreign national is here undocumented. Will that come from the police? What's going to happen tomorrow?
Look, illegal immigration is an ongoing process. I think the president has stated that there's going to be ramped up efforts. But like we said, we're monitoring the situation. When situations like this happen, we make sure that people are safe. Whether they're illegal or not, people say